delicious fried chicken wings recipe. Let's make it. 2.2 pounds chicken wings. Make shallow cut on both sides. Add enough Coca-Cola to cover the wings. Let it sit for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Drain. Then wash them with water. Dry wings using a paper towel. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder seasoning. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Refrigerate. 1 hour later. 1 egg. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Ready for frying. Fry until golden brown, low-medium heat. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the wings from the pan. Bon appetit! Wow, delicious! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.